How to easily fix your Xbox controller driver error in Windows 11. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Query Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open your settings by clicking on Window and I button. Click on Devices, go to Bluetooth and other devices, and make sure Bluetooth is on. So it will automatically find and connect your device. If it doesn't, go ahead and click on Add Bluetooth or Device, so you can choose what kind of device you want to add. Go ahead and click on Everything Else, where you'll see Xbox controllers. So make sure your device is turned on and discoverable. And then it will show your device here. Click on that and connect it. So the next method is to update your Windows. Go to Home, click on Update and Security, and then click on Update on the update that is available. Once the update is finished, go ahead and restart your PC. So the next method is to update your Xbox controller driver. So open your Device Manager, click on the search icon and type Device Manager, and then click on Open. So if your Xbox is connected through your Bluetooth, expand Bluetooth driver, find your driver here, right-click on it, and select Update Driver, and then click Search automatically for updated driver software. Now if you have connected it through your USB, expand Universal Series Bus controllers, find your adapter, find your driver, right-click on it, and then click on Update Driver. So the next method is to roll back or uninstall your driver. So find where your adapter is located, whether it's under USB or Bluetooth, right-click on it, click on Properties, click on Driver, and then select Rollback Driver. So this will roll back to previously installed driver. To uninstall it, right-click on it, and then click on Uninstall Device, and then restart your PC, and Windows will automatically install the driver. So this is how to easily fix your Xbox controller driver error in Windows 11. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.